Hey there, everyone. Kimberly Alexander here, founder of the KA Inc. Academy. And thank you for joining me to take a kind of peek behind the curtain in the student body on really experiencing the KA Inc. Academy. You know, it really takes a village to build out a great company, to build and scale an incredible brand and program. And it takes having a team of experts. It takes really the step 1, 2, 3, 4 on really truly how to do this thing. So join me as we take a peek inside the KA Inc. Academy. So I'm going to share my screen with you here. Okay, so when you log into the KA Inc. Academy, you're going to see up here My Academy. And here is where all the courses are housed. Again, there's 15 courses, there's over 52 modules, so really tracking to doing one module a week to build out an unbelievably incredible platform to scale to 7 figs. So if you click on your courses, I want to show you what the courses look like. They are very robust, so you can see each course, every single video and every single module is mapped out here. So if you click on one of the modules, you will see here how right here there's all the downloadable exercises that you can keep forever. It will give you an explanation of the course and then also additional assignments of what to do. When you complete the course, you just hit complete, and then from there you can go on to the next module and then on to the next course. So it is a very step-by-step process, let me come back here, on how to really navigate through your learning. So it is step by step by step. You can see here all the different varying ways of how you could build out your programming and your company step by step by step. Okay, so there is where the courses are housed. It will show here your status of where you are at as well as instructor information. Okay, so you are very clear in what you're learning and how you are growing through the KA Inc. Academy. Then we have our Student Center, and this is really where you can get involved, really, and work with myself, work with our experts, and how you can really show up in a live capacity to ensure that you are getting the support that you need. So you learn self-guided, but you're supported live. So here, you can work with KA, which is Kimberly Alexander, that's me, varying different ways of how to work one-on-one, how to be in a mastermind, how to work with our expert team. We've got a team of 6 experts. And then also we have very intentional live events more toward the 3rd and 4th quarter in the year. Okay. Then you go into student community, and this is really where, if you can imagine a college campus, how to really engage with the student body. So Student Center is how to get involved live with all of the instructors and experts. Community is how to get involved with the student body. So Q&A with KA, and then also to connect the dots. Those are live calls that we have every Monday where you can show up with your question, you can show up with your challenge, and we will pour into you and laser coach you to keep you growing in your courses. So it's a really spot in time type quick laser coaching to ensure that you get your questions answered so you can continue to work through the academy. Then we have the expert trainings, which are coming toward the end of January, where you will be able to experience live our 6 experts. We're going to have 2 trainings a month on how to really pour into and learn from every aspect of your business to continue growing. And then the student community, we have a very robust Facebook private page. Now, this isn't your typical group page. I mean, this is a family, it's a community, it's where the support is at. People laugh together, people get tips together, they coach each other. It is a very engaging experience to be in our live Facebook community. Then again, we have our experts, and our experts are here to serve. So our expert team is built of myself and 6 other experts that will guide you through every single area of your business in order to keep growing. Now, come February, we're going to have many videos. We're going to have an education library per expert. We are going to have downloadables of how to work with them and all of their contact information. So stay tuned for the experts to come live in February. And then, of course, here, we are always here to support you. So myself, Blake Alexander, who heads up all of our operations for the Academy, if you need anything from us that you don't see in the Academy, we want to hear from you. So reach out and allow us to support you to continue the growth of your journey. So my name is Kimberly Alexander. I'm the founder of the KA Inc. Academy. I hope you will join us. Really, if you want to know how to truly do this thing, but you just need the steps 1, 2, 3, 4 on how to do it, take the 50 hours, invest in yourself, invest in your business. You will make collaborative, lifetime connections in the Academy. You will scale and expand your programming, your service offerings, and your business, and you will live the life you deserve. So join us in the KA Inc. Academy. We can't wait to see you here. Take care.